he'll never be forgotten. He was a king and crown. I know I'll always remember the words of his son, lingering long. I'm sure he's still around for those who heard. They respect him yet, so those who hear won't forget the sound of his phrase, echoing time, uncountable